Hi, in this video we will see the use of public static void main method. So most of the programs we have used this method, but we have not explored this. Okay, so we'll see what is the significance of this method. So this method is the one which is called by the JVM. So whenever we run the program, the JVM looks for this method. Okay, so here the public means this method can be called from any class or any package. That's why we declare this method as public, and we declare this method as static. So this method can be called without creating object. And most important thing is this method has one parameter, which is string array. So most of the times we have never used this in our programs. So we'll see how to use it now. So in order to pass input to this main method, we have to uh, go to the run and run configuration and select arguments, and in program argument section enter some value. Enter ram finance, then salary as 50,000. Okay, so now we will see how to access these values from the program. So inside the program, we can access the values by this way. It is string name equal to args. This is the string array, so we have to access using the index. And first index has the value of name, then second index has the value of the department value, and args 1. Then third index has the value of the salary. So, so now we have access to the values. Now we can print the value. System dot out dot println println name, name. Then you can print the department as well as the salary. Department as department, then salary. Okay. So let us summarize what we have done here. So this program has public static void main method. So this method is the starting point of any program's execution. Execution starting point of any program. So whenever we run any program, any Java program, the JVM looks for this method. So JVM can call this method because this method is declared as public. So any class, any package can call this method. Since we have declared this method as static, this method can be called even without creating object. And the arguments, the parameters declared in this main method is used for passing inputs to this method. So we have seen how to pass some input, some arguments to this main method using the by going to the run and run configuration, and we have entered some values in the argument section. It is called command line arguments. Okay, so now run this let us run this code and see the output now. Okay, so we got the output: name as ram, department finance, salary as